Welcome back to Bison Mechanics. It's been a while since I've posted a video. Haven't even started trying to post or anything. I just built my 75 series, and I've just been fixing a few little things after spending a lot of time tearing it down and trying to rebuild it and get it to where it is currently. When I originally started to tear it down, I took it off all the top and had heaps of rust in the window frame and in the bottom part of the cab. Had rust in the back. I had rust underneath. But the chassis was good, the engine was good, so I bought a donor car. I ripped apart the donor car and used all the good parts from that one, and I've put them on this one. And it was originally white. I painted it Toyota Sandy Taupe because I think it's an absolutely great colour. There was this whole bottom section was missing. There was nothing in that bottom section there. Thing that I did after I did the front was I shifted on and I started doing this back section, which there was a rust hole there and a rust hole there. And there also was one in the middle under the back. So I put new door sills in, genuine door sills. I've put in a Falcon seat for better comfort because the original seats are terrible. They are not very comfy. Mine are in absolutely great condition as well, but that still didn't help. I had a new lining to put in, and that was just an absolute nightmare. I've been trying to find a genuine one, but they're really expensive and I'm not really that keen on it, just for something to put my feet on and rip up. I painted the roof inside black, and I've put sound deadening, and I've put a roof lining in there. And it takes a lot of that, vibration out of the roof. One thing I would like to change is the steering wheel. I mean, it's not too bad, but it's starting to fall apart. When I drive, my steering wheel's like this. I need a wheel alignment. I need to figure out what I'm going to do for cup holders or storage. If anyone has any designs that they have done, let me know. You can get the cup holders here, you can get ones down here, but I'm more looking for like a full console setup design that people have done. Or I've got my boost gauge sitting on this SAS gauge pillar. I put new seals in here. All the top bits all new. This one's old, and then pretty much all the other seals are all brand new. Gonna change the mirrors as well because these are terrible. They're just extremely. These are the rims and tyres I bought. I quite like them. I think they suit the ute really well. I haven't had any issues with them. I mean, I've probably only driven it for maybe 100 or so Ks now. I still am running the mounted 2.5 inch stainless. There's the 3 inch dump off of my turbo there, which runs down into the 2.5 inch stainless that has a muffler. And this is the engine bay, which is not really changed that much throughout the. I mean, I put a new LE radiator in, which works so much better, heaps cooler, runs heaps cooler than what it used to. I'm having trouble with my oil pressure sensor just reading max pressure. As soon as you turn the key on, it just goes all the way up to the top, which I've put a new sensor on. And we'll come over here to the turbo. It's a 18G Kingguan turbo, about 12 psi of boost at the moment, which I think is more than enough boost to be running. While building the 75, I did a little bit of work on the tray as well. As you can see, I painted the tray sides, and the tray itself there is absolutely obliterated from the pressure washer. I cut the headboard off because it was extremely high and I didn't like it. I was going to put it back on. And then this is just some of the process while I was building it. Yeah, also painted the chassis, sanding down the fenders and pulling them apart. This is the fenders all primed up. Last time they're gonna fenders look and the white guard and the front mount all sanded down and primed, ready to put the colour torque. It's been hiding away for fucking months. Paint that I'm running, 2-pack. That's all the fenders and stuff back on. Couple photos of the engine bay. Put it all back on so I could paint them all on, make it a bit easier. You can still see a couple of the dents that I didn't remove. Just a bit of fucking sound deadening. That's all white. I didn't paint that floor because I was just putting sound deadening in there anyway.
She don't look too bad.
So I wasn't too.
You still see a couple of dents on her, but
I think the paint came up really nice.
Drive, fuck. Looks better, mate. Looks fucking good.
Just a little subtle difference. 25.
Not bad. What's that?
After running all the lines of the cooling, turbo, and oil lines. was the first time I took it out on the road without putting any of the bar work or anything on. It's just a photo I have recently in the paddock. Since then I've put new rims and tyres on it. So yeah, cheers for watching, guys.